Presently, in this Excellence Center, refrigerator has two categories, direct cool refrigerator and frost-free refrigerators. And washing machine, we have three categories, semi-automatic, fully automatic and front-load washing machines. And micro oven, we have three categories of solo, grill and convection models. And air conditioner, we have a split, high wall split model, and window AC is available. In split, we have two categories. One is fixed speed air conditioners and inverter model. So these are the products we are catering here. This course is very helpful to the students who undergo the training. On job practical will be taught here. It will be very useful for his career growth, for handling any service operations in the future. This Center of Excellence is directly run by Godrej boys.